Hi everyone, welcome to Aravilam. I'm Sabruddin. So in this video, we are going to learn. So now we are going to see the recommended pivot table. So recommended pivot table is also a pivot table. So here you no need to create your pivot table. Excel will automatically calculate all the combinations and it will give you a suggestion what are the reports we can create. Okay, for example, I can create item and size wise report. I can create region and rep wise report, like that. It will give you the suggestions. So based on the suggestions, if you want that table, you can use that table. You no need to manually create pivot table. So that is recommended pivot table. So this will save your time. So to create recommended pivot table, as I already said, you have to keep your cursor inside the table. Go to insert menu. The second option is recommended pivot tables. So click on it. So in my version, I'm getting this recommended table in the right hand side of my screen. But if you are using a desktop version, you will be getting a pop-up dialog box. Okay, so in that pop-up dialog box, you can see this same type of tables. And if you want, you can just select that table and click OK. It will insert a new sheet for you and you can see the report. Okay, so in my version, I'm getting this option in the right hand side. So here, as you can see, it is showing total by item and rep, total and units by size, total by item and size, total by rep and size, and also we have more options. So we have 10 items here. So based on our requirement, we can select any of this one and we can insert our pivot table. In my version, I have the option to insert a recommended pivot table in the existing sheet also. In the earlier versions, there is no option for inserting pivot table in an existing sheet. So you have to insert in a new sheet only. Okay, so now I'm going to insert this table, that is a item and rep wise total. Here I'm going to click on new sheet. Okay, so as you all know that when I create a pivot table for the first time, it was inserting one new sheet before our current sheet. Now I'm clicking on new sheet. So this will insert a new sheet after our current sheet. So that is after the sheet 1. So previously it was inserting a new sheet before sheet 1. Now it is inserting a new sheet after the sheet 1. Okay, so here as you can see, it is automatically creating your pivot table. So this is recommended pivot table. It will save more time. So whenever you want to insert a basic pivot table, you can try this. Okay, but if you want to create your customized pivot table, you have to do it manually.